I decided to become a pharmacist around when I was a junior or senior in high school. I had one of the best chemistry teachers ever, and he pitched the idea to me. Before that, I was sure I was going to be the editor of Vogue. My name is Erin Weber, and I'm a pharmacist with Community Physician Network, and I've been with the network since 2010 when I graduated from pharmacy school. I always said, give me the medications, all the blood, guts, and gore we can leave to the doctors and nurses. Now I work for a physician pavilion on the east side, actually a couple different locations where I float between, and I'm in the doctor's offices. I see patients through a couple of different programs. Most of the patients that I see are for chronic disease management. The first is an employee program with Community Network, where we help to keep people healthy who have diabetes, cholesterol, asthma, and COPD, and we reduce their medicine costs. The second program is a team-based program where I see patients with a nurse, a dietitian, and a social worker to improve overall health of patients. One of the first questions we ask every new patient is, are any of your medications too expensive for you? And then we do a good review to see what options there are, what can we do to save this patient money. Over time, with meeting with the patient, my goal is to get them and their disease state well controlled, and so that they're living a better quality of life overall. When you have somebody that's come in and their blood sugars used to be in the 300s and now you're getting them down to the 100s and they feel a whole lot better, and because they've seen those numbers change, now they're walking every day and they've lost 30 pounds. Just knowing that their quality of life is better and they're so much happier because of that, that's what drives me. On my day off, and I do actually have one day off a week, and so I take that to spend it with my son. One of my first jobs was a lifeguard, actually at the IU Natatorium downtown. Travel is something that is very important to me. A couple years ago, my husband and I took a sabbatical for 6 months, and we traveled to Africa and we traveled to South America. We did some volunteer work.